I just found some footage of what my Kapotasana practice looked like back in 2011. It's humbling. That's what my Kapotasana was then, and this is what it's like now. But what interested me was looking at those transitions, looking at how far back my hands were when I landed, the arch in my back, all of those things that I've been working on for the past 7 years. Was looking at those transitions, the transitions between Chaturanga position, moving up and lifting the chest, where my shoulders were down the back. Sometimes it's even surprising that I could actually get Kapotasana back then, looking at the way my transitions were. It's really important to record your practice sometimes. Recording your yoga practice is a little bit different than recording your running practice or biking or even surfing. For one thing, you do your yoga practice inside. Generally speaking, you don't take pictures in a doctor's office. So why would you take pictures in a yoga class? They're both pretty personal, very private even. The second a camera or a phone comes out these days, the practice becomes a stage. It's not a place where we feel safe anymore. We don't feel like we can fall apart or be vulnerable. We have to act in a certain way because, God forbid, it might actually go on the internet and social media and someone might see us falling apart because our Instagram lives are perfect. When you decide that you want to record your yoga practice, you don't need any fancy setup with the camera, your phone. This works perfectly. So just record 5 minutes of your practice and then study it. Go over each and every frame of that video so that you know where your shoulders are dipping, where your head is dipping. Something is going on. I can guarantee you that you are going to find one little key piece that's going to change everything for you. Record your practice, but do it alone. Don't record other people. It's not fair to them. It's their practice. The HIPAA rules or something like that.